Part check is useful if say you've got an array of fixtures, you've got 10 fixtures and you're doing an order that is not divisible by 10, you don't have enough parts to load, you don't want to overrun parts, you can use the robot to check to make sure that the parts are actually loaded before welding. Otherwise, you're going to weld on your fixtures, weld on your table, ruining things, etc. What it does is the robot will come in, it uses the wire, and you teach a location for it to check for the part. If it doesn't find it, it skips that weld, goes on to the next one, etc., down the line. I've got 2 parts loaded, 2 parts programmed, and what it's going to do on this first one, both of them are loaded. It'll do the welds, and then the next time, say I'm finishing my run up, I've only got 1 more part to run, I'll load that second fixture location, and it's going to go and check the part, and then skip it, weld the second one. So now, running my last run of these parts, and you'll see here this range. So we teach the search start point and then the search point where we expect the part to be. That range is actually going to be doubled if you have any variation of your part locations.